What's up YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another video for you guys. Today I will be showing you 2 outfits on how to make simple outfits look good. I will be showing more details into it. I will throw in maybe 3 outfits or 2, I'll see. I will show you in details of the pieces of clothes that I threw on, that I'm showing you guys. The shoes that I'm wearing, the shirt while I'm wearing it, and what's behind it, why I think it's a good way to make a simple outfit look good. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Let me get more volume.
Okay, so this is outfit number 1. It's a simple outfit. I have my Yeezys 500s right here, yellow tints. Reason why I picked this shoe is because it's a different shoe. It's like a different vibe. It's kind of like a dad shoe, so it's different on the outfit. Not something you will wear, not something you will see a lot. Then I have these ripped jeans. They're not super tight, they're not super skinny, so it'll look good with the dad shoe since it has a little bit of like structure to it. Then I have this distressing all around it. Then for a belt, since I didn't want to just make it simple, then I tied it up with a pair of shoes, laces, so it looks like that. Then I threw a graphic tee on, something that will kind of match with my shoes, and it will just give like a cool vibe. Then on the back is what it looks like. And then I threw on this little piece of jewelry that my grandma made me from Puerto Rico, and I just threw it on, see how it looks. That's pretty much it for the outfit number 1.
I said go cheat down.
Third outfit, I went with a classier but still simple, very easy to wear outfit. I'm wearing my Chelsea boots from New Republic. Then I'm wearing this black denim jeans. Then I'm wearing my Levi's strap shirt just to add some structure to it. Then I just threw on some accessories, the same bracelet that my grandma gave me. Threw a classy, simple watch on. And this is the outfit right here. You can do it a little bit more different, but this is just to give you guys an idea of what you can wear in the summer since it's hot and you don't want to do too much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please follow me on social media. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.